Surok. Kalau yuk sanction ars pak poin kapawe keren. Kau bunai Oktober menim arajal afilan.
Ka Ministry of Road Transport and Highway ka Sarkar India kadaban pelat ya ka song pisa bapalat arspa khanai phoklur tingka sha ka Sarkar jala bakan maramat ya ka surok National Highway 06 na Jowai sharata chera kani ka mang pisa ka dei ka pelat na du khanyo torek urisau aja arpholai bakan National Highway Authority of India ni NHAI ka badi pintra ya ka surok kadab khot tender badab IT ru ya ka kam chiki arngut ki contractor bakin pintrai kini ki kontraktor klayo ekakam ka ba shispa lai klur tingka ban ripho klur tingka beklas dangru ban maramot ya kasurok na du ka arpo artarik ulber aja arpsa Shayong ka perthai habayo I hakilat pathai khubor ya ka jingkam batang shismi ka jinglet idor khas UMP ka Voice of the People Party sha Ministry ka Ministry of Road Transport and Highway Nitin Gadkari ka Ministry ka pelat ya ka ni ka songpisa sha ka jela Henry ka jingsi shahi ka long baka pisa ka lopoy na du risau arja arpulai bar ka kamru ka rastang shat Henry la pinsa nge shipor hakini ki khindet tayo balalet na mar ka jing ther uslam
So I would say that we are happy that the Honorable MP of Shillong has taken the initiative and in which he said that he has got a sanction of 290 crores. So since the state government has already received 200.81 crores as being said earlier, so it will be very good for us that if we get another additional amount of 290 crores, which will be 490 crores. So it will be very, we are more than happy. I myself will go and meet him myself. I'll congratulate him for getting that amount. There is no such thing that, we can get an overnight work in anywhere, I'll tell you. Whether it's a DPR or could be any kind of sanction or small sanction also.
Kaperthai ka Shayong ru bat kamla ban muddur bakumnu tana ka dor khas UMP ka Sarkar India kan buram bat pelat ya ka song pisa claim da khmi ya ka detailed project report ne ka baki ong ka DPR claim da khmi ya ka jingle assortment claim da khmi ya ka jingkhen jingdia kumnu ru ka ministry kan tip tangna ka dor khas on UMP bakjala ka dan kam arspa khnai phoklur tingka ban maramot ya ka surong
sanction na ko por arspa pon ka pagro nang tapat government jong state government jong ka Meghalaya macam yo ala pen yo ka kalau khot tender nang tapan na yo ki allotment atili ki contractors nang tapat ka kam kalayan tadu ubrai March I think 22nd of March was the kilas dang ka kam na national highway na from Tuai to Patachira nang tapat kadi ka kam kalayan menta nalai iba ki pagba jong kila protes kila ya agitate mo tang ba kakam kadang yat untuk mentaro teki contractors ketua por ki ru por slap kumla aga bantre tang ba we as government ko the state ni kren ki ba ki bantre imsha ki banshong ki hatre tenang tapat hadin pada yo sanction ketu honorable CM Jongi so kontrak ulalek jadi ulapan biang ke additional amount Prapu kendai pokor ulalek ulapan mentah ke DPR ladep kontrak kila kadang long ha proses kani ka suruh kadiga penyai daga NHA agensi kadiga NHA sementara gidang up sekata da mo sekata da yo da kau kendai pro tengalong confuse kendiat ba ai ba maha media kila ang ba honorable MP Jongi kila yo sanction aspa kendai pokor aksio kerman ba da yo additional amount ya katur aspa pro baladik yo kini sio komen balaya wanra development shushu mo kada I kubleyo honorable MP Jongi ba ulawan ra sakata ka way additional amount 280 crores dan sakata ni kam kadang yadi we hope that we train buruk ni representative of the TV Brill ni train minta cepat ba naging bahajong